What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use single take on Samsung camera in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open camera. Now in camera, go to the more option, and from here tap on single take. Now after selecting single take, you can start recording by tapping on this button. So when the countdown is start, you can take the video with different angles, and after 10 seconds it will automatically stop. So now you can tap on this icon to view your single take. So these are the results of single take. So this is the original video, this is the highlight video, this is the simple picture, and this is a boomerang clip. This is the slow-mo clip. This is the cropped shot from the video. This is the filtered picture, and this is the last one, another filtered picture. So that's how you can use single take on Samsung camera in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.